Transform your tiles and give your space a fresh new look with a simple coat of paint. Hi, I'm Jack, and this is how to paint tiles. Let's get into it. First up, give your tiles a thorough clean. You want to remove any dirt, grease or soap residue, so use a heavy-duty cleaner or a mix of sugar soap and water. Scrub the tiles well with a cloth or sponge, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. It's crucial to let the tiles dry completely before moving on to the next step. Next, lightly sand the tiled surface using a fine grit sandpaper, like a 400. This will help the paint adhere better. Make sure you go over the entire surface to dull the glossy finish of the tiles. Once done, wipe away any dust with a damp cloth and let the surface dry. Then remove any silicone. And now it's time to tape off the areas you don't want to be painted. Use painter's tape to protect any fixtures or surfaces, grout lines and edges around the tiles. To ensure the paint sticks well, apply a primer that is suitable for tiles. A good primer creates a strong bond between the tiles and the paint, which is essential for durability. Use a brush to get into the corners and edges, then switch to a roller for the larger areas. Once the primer is dry, it's time to apply your tile paint. Choose a paint that is specifically designed for tiles. These are usually water-based enamel paints that are durable and moisture resistant. Apply the first coat using a brush for edges and areas with any texture, and use a small foam roller for the smoother, flat surfaces. Start from the top of the tile area and work your way down to avoid drips. After the first coat is dry, apply a second coat for a smooth, even finish. You might need a third coat depending on the colour and coverage. Remember to let each coat dry thoroughly before applying the next one. If you want added protection, apply a clear sealant. Use a clear, water-based sealer. This helps protect your new painted tiles from wear and tear. Avoid using the area for at least 48 to 72 hours to allow the paint and sealant to fully cure, especially in wet areas like showers. And there you have it. Your tiles now have a fresh new look, and you've done it all with just a few coats of paint. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.